Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.4, Problem 21. This is Section 1.4, Problem 21. It says Jessica needs $54 to buy a set of headphones. She has $18 so far. How much more money does she need? So this becomes a subtraction problem. I need to subtract 54, the money that she needs altogether, minus 18, the money that she has so far. So now I have to start in the rightmost column of digits. I have 4 minus 8. The 8 is too large to subtract from the 4, so this is a case where I need to borrow. So I go over one column of digits to the left, and the number in the upper position of that column, I'm going to cross it off, so it'll be reduced from a 5 down to a 4. Now the 4 in the rightmost column of digits can get a 1 in front of it, which would change it from a 4 to a 14. And now I will subtract 14 minus 8, and that will give me a result of 6. Now as I go over one column to the left, I need to subtract 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 gives me a 3, and that means the answer is 36. Now since this is in terms of money, we can call it $36. Jessica needs another $36 to get her headphones.